dreamers, we are off on an adventure. We are headed to Haleakala? Haleakala. Right?
Didn't it have an H in it?
I'm really bad with my Hawaiian.
Haleakala.
Take 20. We are going to Haleakala. Haleakala. We need Tim with us, man. Tim knows this is Hawaiian. He's really good at it. Kelly knows his Japanese.
I'm fine with it. Just I don't remember the name of it.
Haleakala. Wait, it's right here. Yes, we are going to Haleakalā National Park. Oh my goodness. We made it to our trailhead and it was so cool driving up here. We literally drove right through the clouds. It was beautiful. And now we're close to the summit and look, it's completely sunny out and beautiful. So super excited to hit this trail. Kelly and I are a little tired, so I'm not thinking we're doing the whole 11 miles. I think we're kind of being lazy. We are on vacation. So we'll probably just do a few miles in and out just to kind of check it out and enjoy the view. And we are here, so we gotta at least go down and visit, you know, see some of the craters and see some of the rock, and definitely excited to see the Rainbow Bridge. There's something called a Rainbow Bridge. I don't even know what that is, but it sounds cool. But you can tell like the terrain has drastically changed. You can see all the volcanic rock behind us. So just a super cool drive up here and excited to hit the trail. That's where we're going. See all those people down there? That's where we're headed. Down into the crater.
Getting decreased, so.
This is the volcano.
It showed a see where that peak is and this. Originally, the volcano
this one and this one?
Yeah, originally the volcano was a little bit taller than those.
Really?
But because of like magma flow, the road.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Lots of stuff. There's a lot of.
Hard part about going down means you have to go back up. We're halfway, but finish line is way at the very top. Way at the top. We finished our 2.5 hour hike. Legs are jello. Coming back up, really fun. Gotta remember when you go on a hike going down, you're gonna turn around and go back up. Just remember that. We just got back in the room. Both Kelly and I are so tired. We did stop by McDonald's hoping to get anything Spam, and they did not have anything for lunch or dinner for Spam related, but they do have a breakfast that comes with Spam and rice. So kind of a typical Hawaiian type breakfast. We ended up getting, you know, typical McDonald's, which tasted so good after our hike. But we will probably go for breakfast sometime while we're here, just so we can get the typical Spam and rice type breakfast. But for now, we are tuckered. This was a whole day. We were very proud of ourselves. It was a long hike and it was a really great experience to actually hike down into a volcano. That was really, really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you did, and make sure you subscribe for all of our other Hawaii videos coming out soon. Keep on dreaming. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Love you all.